Example 36. Draw the projections of a pentagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long, such that it is resting on its base on HP and one of its base edge is perpendicular to VP. Now here, observe that we are going to have a pentagonal pyramid. The solid here is pentagonal pyramid and the base side is 30 mm and the axis height is 60 mm. It is resting on its base on HP. So this will be a simple case of a pentagonal pyramid resting on the HP. That's it. And one more condition here, we just need to make sure that the base edge is perpendicular to VP. So one of the three base edges of this pentagonal pyramid should be perpendicular to VP. So we'll now see how to imagine this. Now on your screen you can see a pentagonal pyramid and also the reference planes. Here you can observe that it will have triangular faces, and I will show you that it is a pentagonal pyramid. So it will have 5 triangular faces, as you can observe while I am rotating it 360 degrees. So this is your pentagonal pyramid with triangular faces. And when coming to our question, it is mentioned that it is directly resting on the horizontal plane. So I'll place this on the HP. Now you see that it is directly resting on the horizontal plane, and the condition is that this one of the edges is perpendicular to VP. Now you see that this edge here, this edge is perpendicular to VP, the vertical plane. When you view this from the top, it will become very easy for you. Now this edge is perpendicular to VP, as you can see here. I'm rotating the cursor there. This straight edge, this means that the pentagonal pyramid edge is perpendicular to VP. In the top view, there will be a simple pentagon in this, as it is as in the screen, with diagonals visible. And from the front, you'll see that there will be only 2 triangles. So we will see now how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
So again, this also will start with the top view, which is a pentagon, and this line is straight. Be careful with this because the one of the base edge is perpendicular to vertical plane. Now I'll repeat the same process of drawing the pentagon on 30, 40, 56, 70. This is 72. From this side also 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 70, 72. These lines are .30. This is also 30. Again 0 from here, 72. This question is very similar to question number 31 of pentagonal prism, but here, as this is a pyramid, we did not project the lines upwards above the XY line. We just need to project this till this point. Anyhow, you can project that, but that will not look good. And we need to mark the axis line also. For axis line, as you know, selecting any line, pointing, and then joining it with the corner of opposite. So this is going to be your center point, which means from here there will be an axis. So now I will draw the axis height here. I am drawing the axis. The height is 60. I am marking 60 here. 60. Now we have to just join this every point. You have to complete the base. Observe that this is on the xy plane, which means that it is resting on the horizontal plane.
This is the final solution of your question number 36, pentagonal pyramid resting on the horizontal plane with its base, as you can see here. So the axis will be perpendicular to HP, and also one of the base edges is perpendicular to VP as seen in the top view. And here we have diagonals also, because as this is a pentagonal pyramid, there will be triangular faces, and due to that this longer edges will be visible from the above. That is why here you can find the diagonals. This is the center point.